shit happens and it always has to be with Nidhi. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to another new makeup testing video. I have new makeup again here with me, so let's sit, chill and test some new makeup and see if it is worth the hype and worth your coin. So let's get started. Okay, the very first product is the skincare. So let's quickly talk about skincare first and then we'll move on to the makeup category. So I picked up this moisturizer from Essentials. It is a ceramide and hyaluronic acid moisturizer. Now if you know, I have extremely dry skin type, and that with the changing weather, it is just not behaving good. You can see I'm like breaking out. My skin barrier, I feel, is like kinda compromised, and so I wanted to incorporate ceramides and hyaluronic acid as an ingredient in my skincare because they help to fix the damaged skin barrier. And when your skin barrier is good, automatically all of your skin issues will slowly settle down, and that is the reason why I picked up this moisturizer. That is the packaging that you would get it in. It's a 50 ml tube. It soothes, hydrates your skin. It also contains copper peptides to make your skin more plumper, and sweet almond oil to hydrate, hyaluronic acid, as well as ceramides in the formula. That is the kind of tube packaging you would get the product in. It's a lightweight moisturizer, perfect for dry skin types. So if you too are a dry skin type just like me, like literally you saw it just melts as you apply it. It's a very nice hydrating formula. So if you too are a dry skin type, then definitely try this one out. I purchased it off Amazon at a discounted price. MRP of this is 699 rupees, while I got it off a 10% discount for 669 rupees. I would have the link below. Okay, then from the house of Swiss Beauty, I saw this cool launch in their Swiss Beauty Craze category. These are the Swiss Beauty Craze Cloud Puff Blush and Highlighters. So I picked up 3 shades, 2 from the blush range and 1 from the highlighter range. So let's try it out. That is the cute packaging. I really liked it. These are the blushes, and when you open it up, you get a nice pom-pom applicator. You just have to rotate and then squeeze to get the oh my god. Okay, so after fixing the messed up things with this blush, let's get swatching. So when you open it up, that is the kind of packaging you would get. You have to twist this up and then slightly squeeze to get the product dispensed on the puff. That is shade number 1, which is Pink Sky. This is shade number 2, with which we messed up with, and that is shade number 2, which is a Cloud Pink. So the first shade, as you can see, has hints of coral, while the second shade is a perfect pink. Let's try the highlighter out. I think they all come in the same kind of packaging. You just have to twist to open it up and slightly squeeze to get the product out. There you go. Ooh, that is way too much pigment. Okay, that is the highlighter in the shade number 4, Starry Gold. Now the swatches seem quite promising, so we will test it out, but for that we need to first apply a little bit of concealer. I repurchased my favorite LA Girl in the shade Cool Tan. I love this. It's an oldie goldie. I love this so much. That is the shade Cool Tan. It's an exact skin tone match and I love it so much. The LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer is priced at a discounted price again. I picked it for 27% off for 582 rupees. You can check it out. I would have the product linked below. Okay, so let's quickly conceal all of our problems with this concealer. I guess I've applied way too much, but it's okay. Let's blend it. I'm using my favorite Mars foundation brush F101. You can also use my code Nidhi10 on Mars Cosmetics to get additional 10% discount, and look at it. It looks so good. Like the coverage is insane. This side is like so dark underneath my eyes, like the dark circles that I am dealing with right now. I just like sleep deprived right now, but with the concealer, who's she? Who's she? I cannot make out that I'm not getting enough sleep. OG for a reason. Like my skin looks snatched. Just look at it, how flawless the skin looks with just one product, that is the Elical Concealer. Woohoo! Love it. Okay, so that was the concealer part. Uske baad na, let's try out the blushes jiske upar we were. Let's try the salmon shade out. I think that was Pink Sky. So let's try the salmon blush out, which is Pink Sky. Slightly, we'll squeeze some product and then just stamp. I don't know if it's like pigmented or not. With the same Mars brush, blending it. That blended in a jiff and is damn pigmented. Whoa, that looks so pretty. So pretty, so pretty. Loved it. Let's do an ombre blush with the shade number 2, which is Cloud Pink, and a little bit at the beginning from pink to like orange, like sunset blush situation. And oh my god, this blush is crazy pigmented. Looks so good. Woo! So let's apply the pink blush here and the slightly orange shade at the top to get a nice gradient from pink to salmon. Whoa, that is like crazy pigment, just like the brand name. Oh my god, oh my god. Now I'm not mad. Now even though the tube kind of squirted, I'm not mad because bro, it is serving like so pigmented and for fraction of a price. Like, why are we talking in zoom? I don't know. This blush looks so damn good on my skin. Like, how much was this for? I'm sure this was not expensive. Like, I have product all over my phone. Like, ew. Okay, let's check out the price of these Swiss Beauty Craze blushes. So the MRP of these are $5.99. While I purchased off a discount price, obviously I'm like a pretty chingus person. I always look out for discounts. I picked it up for 10% discount for 539 rupees. There you go. Definitely check it out. And right now you can grab it at lesser prices because Amazon Prime Day sale is on from 12th to 14th of July. So discounts and coupons raining your way. Definitely check it out during that time. Bro, this looks insane. I loved it so much. Let's try the highlighter. I'm tensed because not in the highlighter era, so I just want the tiniest amount on my face, not in that glazed donut era. Whoa, this literally is reminding me of my Becca Opal highlighter. Like, the shade is so similar. Like, bro, literally it is just like that. And the formula is so smooth that it is blending into my skin. Like, look up close, you'll understand. Like, wow, it just blended into my skin. So smooth. Like, wow, it literally just blended into my skin and looks so good. Like, loved it. A little bit on the side, and I'll show you in zoom. You can see how blinding it is. Now, a thing with this highlighter, it is like hella pigmented, so you need like the least amount with it, like the tiniest dot you ever can draw, you know, stamp it on, because way too much is gonna make you look like a glazed donut. And if you want to achieve that, then good. Elsewise, have a very light hand and use the tiniest amount of it. Bro, this looks insanely good on my skin. 10 on 10. Definitely recommend. The highlighter is priced at $5.99 right now off Amazon. I would have the links below. Okay, now I look crazy with all of the shine on my face. So it's like the perfect time to try out this viral blush, which I did not have a chance to try. I don't know why, I just missed out on this launch. So let's try this makeup setter and blotter gel compact from Mars Cosmetics, and you can also use my code NIDHI10 to get additional 10% discount. So when you open it up, you get a puff and the gel compact like so. Let's open it up, and oh la la, that looks so pretty. It's a gel thing. I don't know if I should like, you know, put my finger in it or not. Let's try. Whoa, that feels like a balm, like literally like a balm. And oh my god, oh my god, I can literally see my fingerprint blurred on my finger with this compact because I just like squirreled my finger through it. But woo, let's try it. I'm excited. This is literally like a transparent compact powder for your face without it being in a powder format. So hella excited. I think you're just supposed to use a powder puff with it, and I don't know if it works with a brush or not, but let's try it. We would load the puff with some of the powder. So you can see my face is right now like a shiny donut. So let's try it. Whoa, 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 look at it. It is like an instant shine killer without that powdery mess. Like, ooh, look at this side and this side. Bro, it has mattified without that powdery mess. So let's try this side. You can see the shine. Wow, bro, look at my skin. Bro, it is super smooth. Wow, what? My pores literally look all blurred with this compact. Like, we see a little bit shine here, right? Gone. Like, wow, this product is insane, you guys. Mars, you are killing it with your launches. This stuff is insane. Like, my skin looks super smooth and blurred. Loved it. Let me know if you've tried it with a blush, and does it work with a blush? I don't know. Let's see. I think it would work better with a puff because it has a gel-like texture. But anyways, this was like super affordable. The MRP of this powder is 349 rupees, while I got it off a discounted price, obviously. So you can check it out, and the price that I picked it up for was 309 rupees. Loved it. You can also get additional discount codes, so check it out. You can also use my code NIDHI10 on Mars Cosmetics for additional 10% off your entire purchase. Loved it. So yes, that was it. And lastly, let's just quickly touch up the lipstick that I was wearing right from the beginning of the video. It was the Maybelline Superstay Teddy Tint. I have been loving this. I've swatched all of the shades that I love and the newer shades in the previous video. I would have it linked up here. You can check it out. This is like crazy good. Like, the shade I'm wearing is so good. It's mascara tear. A little bit only is the key to work with this. Sorted. Not way too much nor way too less. That's it. So yes, you can check this one out as well. The Superstay Teddy Tint is available at a discounted price. Yes, you heard me right. Even the newer shades are available at discount. So check it out. 750 is the MRP, while you can get it off a 25% discount for 562 rupees right now off Amazon. I would have the product linked below. Like, look at it. It looks so good. So yes, that was all of the new makeup that we tested out in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You can find all of the products and their links mentioned in the description box below to check that out, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.